Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a recurring meeting in Outlook. If you've set up a meeting that repeats weekly or monthly but no longer need it, this quick process will help you remove it from your calendar entirely, ensuring you won't receive any more notifications or reminders for it. To get started, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load in all your emails and calendar data. This initial loading step is important because it ensures all your recent updates and scheduled meetings are properly synced and visible. Once everything has loaded up, you'll need to navigate to your calendar view. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find the calendar menu. You should see a calendar icon right there. Go ahead and click on it. This will switch your view from your inbox to your calendar, displaying all your scheduled meetings and appointments. Now that your calendar has loaded up, the process of canceling a recurring meeting is actually quite straightforward. Take a moment to locate the recurring meeting you want to cancel on your calendar. These meetings typically have a circular arrow icon or some indicator showing they repeat on a schedule. Once you've found it, simply click on the meeting to select it. After selecting the meeting, direct your attention to the top left part of your screen. You'll notice an Actions section in the toolbar, and within that section, you should see a button labeled Cancel Meeting. Click on Cancel Meeting. This action immediately removes the recurring meeting from your calendar, meaning Outlook will no longer alert you with notifications or reminders for this particular meeting series. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your recurring meeting in Outlook, freeing up your calendar and stopping all future notifications for that event. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.